Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Congratulations, we have reached the 10th video on our crash course of current affairs. The topic is FATF a financial issue or a political issue? FATF was founded in 1989 by G7 members. Initially, it was established to combat money laundering. However, it expanded its scope in 2001 to control money laundering, and in 2012 it also included the efforts to control weapons of mass destruction. It has 39 members and it is headquartered at Paris, France. FATF, Financial Action Task Force, has established 40 recommendations for every country to follow in order to be included in the international financial system, that they will not allow the terrorists to finance in their country, and their banking will not be used by any other informal or illegal agencies. Pakistan was first placed on FATF grey list in 2012 and it managed to extricate itself in 2015. Pakistan was second time placed on FATF grey list in June 2018, and until February 21, 2020, there are 18 countries placed on FATF grey list, including Pakistan, Myanmar, and Syria. Pakistan has been included in FATF due to weak law enforcement, due to lack of coordination among financial institutions, and it is also included in FATF due to its Hundi Hawala system. Pakistan has managed to work upon the FATF recommendations, and it is given the deadline till February 2021. Now, is FATF a political issue or a financial issue? I would say it is a political issue because Basel's Anti-Money Laundering Index ranks Pakistan on 28th out of 141 countries. However, in its first rank is the Afghanistan, on 14th is Nigeria, on 23rd is Sri Lanka. But why Pakistan has been placed on grey list since 2018? It is because when Pakistan was placed on grey list in June 2018, the president of FATF was USA. And now USA as well as India has lobbied its member to keep Pakistan on grey list in order to have a high hand on Pakistan government. So my dear friends, this was all about our crash course on current affairs. If you have some questions in mind, please share in the comment box below. And if you want me to make more videos on current affairs, do share the topics. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.